Hello, in this video I will going to share with you the features of Cloud Editor feedback on Google Docs. First of all, you can open the document you want to give feedback. If you have received the right to edit the document of your peers, read through the text. After that, you can give your feedback in different ways. You can leave a comment or emoji. If you want to share your Google Docs file with others, you need to click on the Share button. After naming your document, you can share by adding their email addresses. Additionally, you can add your message for the recipient. It can either be shared by adding their email addresses or by using the document link. It is possible to restrict the available scope of functions, such as viewer or commenter instead of editor. Finally, read through the comments, suggestions, and reactions of your peers. You can accept or decline the suggestions made by your peers. Or you can reply to your peers' suggestions or comments. You can discuss the reasons and explanations of the feedback with your peers. Also, you can benefit from chat functions and additional communications tools. And finally, you can save your Google Docs file with different options.